The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for north central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:32 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Richmond, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include southwestern Sugar Land, northern Rosenberg, Richmond, Pecan Grove, southwestern Eldridge/West Oaks, Cummings, New Territory, Cinco Ranch and Greatwood. Take cover now. Move to the most interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home, in a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.